Hey friends, if you wish to fix any runtime error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to perform a clean boot on your system. Search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab. Check the box associated with Hide all Microsoft Services. If any of the services checked, click on Disable or Apply, OK, and then restart your computer. And lastly, reinstall the Microsoft C++ redistributable package. Simply search for it in the Windows search bar and go to this first option, the learn.microsoft.com one, and then click on Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019 and 2022. Now skip this one, we don't want this one. We have two options here. One is for 32-bit computers, which is the x86 one, but in most probability you'll be having a 64-bit computer. Now I have a 64-bit computer, so I'll download the second one and click on open and click on this and then click on repair if it is already existing. If it does not, then click on install. The procedure that comes forward is the same. You have to run the wizard. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.